What if I told you that you don't actually need to understand the YouTube algorithm to start a YouTube channel? But understanding it can completely change the way you create content? If you've ever searched for how does the YouTube algorithm work, you've probably encountered 1,000 different answers. Somebody tells you to upload at a particular time, somebody tells you that you need a certain number of subscribers, someone else tells you that YouTube is suppressing your videos, and then there are the people promising to hack the algorithm. The problem is, most of these explanations make the algorithm sound much more complicated than it actually needs to be. And that's exactly why I created this course. Welcome to the YouTube algorithm from zero to strategy. This is a beginner-friendly, step-by-step course designed for someone who wants to understand how YouTube actually works. And when I say beginner, I mean beginner. You don't need to already have a YouTube channel. You don't need to understand analytics, you don't need to know what CTR means, and you definitely don't need to be a YouTube expert. We are going to start from zero and build our understanding from there. We're going to divide this course into a few simple stages: understanding the platform, understanding the numbers like impressions and watch time, creating videos people actually want to watch, analyzing your performance like a detective, and finally, building a long-term strategy. This is not a course about hacking YouTube. There are principles, signals, and patterns, and that's what we'll focus on. The algorithm isn't sitting in a dark room deciding your fate. It's a platform trying to connect the right viewer with the right content. Our job is to understand that connection. So, if you've ever felt like the algorithm is a black box, don't worry. We're going to open it one concept at a time. Let's start with the most basic question. What actually is the YouTube algorithm?